This camera is already a few years old, but in 2026, people are still buying it. So the big question is the Sony A7C still work in 2026? Or is it finally outdated? Today, I'll test for photo and video and give you my honest opinion. Hey everyone, this is Rapi Samstil. If you love cameras, lenses, and real-world reviews, you're in the right place. And today, we're talking about a camera that many people forgot, but maybe shouldn't. You might ask, why even talk about A7C now? Simple, it's a full-frame compact and use price is now very attractive. In 2026, not everyone wants to spend on the newest camera. Many creators want value. So quick reminder, what's inside the small body? It's a 24 megapixel full-frame sensor, Sony real-time AI autofocus, flip screen for vlogging, NP-FZ100 battery, very strong battery life, and 4K video oversample from 6K. Honestly, on paper, still solid. For video creators, A7C still delivers very clean 4K. Colors are good, sharpness is great, and the autofocus is very reliable. For YouTubers' Reels client work, this is still more than enough. And because it's lightweight, it's perfect for gimbals like a RS4 Mini. For photos, this camera still shines. 24 megapixel is still sweet spot. Not too heavy files, but high quality. Dynamic range is great. Low light is still strong. For portrait, travel, street photography, this camera still delivers. Now, let's be honest. This is not a perfect camera in 2026. Single card slot, old Sony menu system, 8-bit video only, no AI autofocus like a newer Sony cameras. If you need the latest tech, this is not it. So who is this camera for in 2026? For the budget creators entering full frame, for travel vloggers, hybrid shooters, Sony users needing a B-cam, anyone buying used gear smartly. Is that you? This camera still makes sense. Harvey boy! Harvey! Gawin sa'yo. So, is the Sony A7C still worth in 2026? If you buy it in the good price, then yes. If you want a latest tech, maybe look at the newer models. But for value, portability, and reliability, this camera is still strong performer. Sometimes, older gear is a gold.
यही है जगरे है very good camera, this Sony A7C.
Mark 1, $299 with the lens. See, we have camera here for Sony. All used cameras. If you want to check, we have A7C Mark II, A7C Mark 1, 6400. That's another A7C Mark 1, A7R Mark 3, A7 Mark 4, A7 Mark 4. So, yan, and I'm using the A7C Mark 1. If this video helped you to decide, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share with your friends who's planning to buy a camera. This is Rapi Sam Steel. See you in the next review.
Yeah, we got it in the bag. Yeah, we got a different drive. You know that legends never die. 'Cause we come alive.